Watch the camera and talk your last words to Ebo Noah.
I just want to tell him that he shouldn't be joking with God.
She waits for us. We are coming for him.
This one will go catch up.
I'm a banner.
So he needs to be put on a big table in public. Now one over could be a one. The one woman. No woman. Whoa.
My name is Robert. You.
Hillary.
Hey, I'm not hearing you.
Hillary.
Hillary. Oh, okay. Hillary, how is your day going? How is your Christmas going? Is it a normal day or is it like Christmas for you?
Oh, it's a normal day.
It's a normal day for you. Oh, okay. So we heard Ebo Noah said he had a vision that the world is coming to an end with flood. As at for we haven't seen any drop of what rainwater. What will you tell Ebo Noah?
She waits for us. We are coming for him.
The one woman. No woman. Whoa.
You are coming for him. Hey. So as he put fear in you people, what?
Me, I was not scared though.
You were not scared because
I knew like the man.
Oh, boy, boy.
Something they wrong out. Hey. Call me trustee. DC. Yeah, Charlie, how the Christmas they go give you? If you normal they give you or it be like Christmas give you?
Normal.
If you normal, it no be Christmas give you.
Normal.
Oh, okay. So Ebo Noah say he gave vision say this war they come end. So how you say? I say flood they come take over.
Oh, we there inside. They come and make come take us.
So you register your
No.
your seat.
Me I did the word inside. So if you come there, make come take us.
Where you no register your seats too?
Nah.
Why?
Them say go text you. So if you invite me there.
So your last you there watch the camera then talk your last words to Ebo Noah.
Ebo Noah there.
Insurance now I go fie.
So youngs are like what do they do? Me I know the baba mo. Me like I suggest saying some family be madness we come in top way. It just the fuck up plus one mind.
Oh, I see. Sharp. So what be your handles? Have you did a social media talk? What be your handle? Put them down.
Snapchat little BC _ 100.
Oh, okay. Sharp.
Let me just this but that before soon as Dragon Ban also.
Okay, means me the Vida. Yeah, me that before Femi
Vidash. Nice day. I mean, in there, any assembly, I see you say, in there 25th, the Ebo Noah and say Christmas.
Ebo Noah. The Ebo Noah, the Abadi, and Casampo, me, and Casamiti, and me, Mashimio.
Insurance now I go fie.
Yeah, the woman, the Ebo Noah, the Nani.
Ebo Noah Nani. You say this one, it will be a say, if I mean, you ain't ticket in Tiana.
I know the air trans be a number, but the idea is me who the train the ABC.
Okay, it's a semi Ben or walk at Ebo Noah. It's a vision or kind of put to say a viral. I'm a idea, one share go for the yeah, I share Ben and I say, Yabena, but I catch Ebo Noah.
Me dem me tie na mo so create yes.
Okay.
Enso no eno na ma kuma to mi em kakra. Yeah.
Ti enyi de mu na Ebo Noah ase plans ni. Plans ni na hwe.
Ashegu.
I'm Dragon Ban. I can call me Justice. What's your?
I'm Peps, but you can call me MFA.
MFA. Okay. Today happens to be 25th, and I want to know if it is Christmas or Ebo Noah for you.
Actually, I have misconceptions, so I think it's Christmas for me.
So you think it's Christmas for you?
Yeah.
So what advice do you have for Ebo Noah?
The one woman. No woman. Whoa.
I just want to tell him that he shouldn't be joking with God. Like when it comes to God aspect, there is nothing jovial about it. So he should just be real and open up to people. Like people lie, people fake. So it's not a big deal to lie. Just that be real with yourself and be real to the media.
Okay, thank you very much. One surprise question though.
Okay.
Would you like to choose BTC over your boyfriend or your boyfriend over BTC?
BTS.
BTC. Bitcoin. That's Bitcoin. Yeah.
Oh, you know, women love money.
Oh, boy.
And even God knows. So I wouldn't. And besides, I wouldn't choose my man over the Bitcoin because I'm studying and I can offer much for myself.
Offer much for yourself.
Yes.
Okay, yes. Your friend Drago Ban elsewhere. One life. That was where.
Escort.
Yeah. That was where. Virgin. Sharp. Okay. You know, be any giddy bia. You see the level.
Sharp.
Today be 25th.
Okay.
When you want to see how your day they go. It be normal day or it be Christmas day give you.
Me be like normal day give me.
It be normal day.
Yeah.
Boys, less.
Yeah.
You know they see that
Street boys.
Okay.
Lala.
Today be 25th. Ebo Noah to talk say you see the vision say God they can't spot the world plus flag. They expect 600 million people for the boat inside. We then you this what we dey do for you? We no get tickets.
We no get some. We no go dey lie.
Insurance to na wa ko fie.
Be lie. Be lie.
One message to see the camera inside. One message to Ebo Noah.
You know what? You lie. You know, no be true. This one go catch am.
Ebo Noah woman. Noah woman. Whoa.
Simple.
Not
BT
say go catch am.
Make mama do place am.
Go kill am.
Vive. Our favorite friend say.
Diana.
My friend Diana. Mr. Friend Dragon Bar.
Oh, okay.
Assembly say. In there 25th. Person who say normal day man and say Christmas.
Yeah, the Christmas.
No dey Christmas. Let's say muye ma.
Emuye ma.
Ede ase. 25th we Ebo Noah say.
Papa Jai, Africa.
Oya no ahun akwa no ya no nso de ajapade dabra bi woni pa woni ajapade de san kwafo de 77 previous adim fin kwa de wo mutrim
Ebo Noah and Pacho Mutage name, mammy. Me, she shall meet a Jordan and Mrs. Shadow sees you, but there is no eto.
Insurance to na wa ko fie.
Okay.
It's so then toy. Tell it over that
day. Ticket.
Me, me, ma'am, me was a fire where said, and they are cook master for funny.
Oh. And I walk out no more.
And I can't watch as I watch out me plans near Shabu.
Plans in a Shabu, crimson in a Shabu, with dashing in a Shabu.
And then my boy, I'm and then my boys, I was with the meat, so.
Ebo Noah want to
Ebo Noah want to Mutage some money, mammy. Mutage name, mammy.
One surprise question. Your boyfriend, I say Bitcoin.
My boyfriend.
Your boyfriend. I have a super casting.
And
Oh, boy, you boy.
Chairman.
Yo.
I be Dragon by you too.
Me I be MK.
MK.
Yeah.
Shower boy.
Yeah.
I don't any long team. Yeah.
I see.
Today happens to be 25th.
Yeah.
Where you want to know how your day they go. If you normal they give you every Christmas.
Oh, today they be normal day be. But the Christmas today inside, so we dey enjoy them.
We dey enjoy them. Futu fra.
Fast.
Sharp. We dey here with chairman be say name be Ebo Noah.
Oh, I hear one.
Yeah. He say 25th for me then you dey here or if you say
oh man, we dey wait to if the rain go come then we dey ask.
Insurance to na wa ko fie.
Sir.
We dey wait.
Okay, so I want make you give am one message per give me. So if you look inside the camera then give am one.
Oh me wetin I go talk am say, you talk as say rain go for where they build ark.
Yeah.
Where they ark the trend wa
go take 600 million people.
You know easy. But me I hear say they give some this can be ticket be where go enter the ark
inside.
So we dey wait if the rain no come out, we go follow am for where e dey now.
Ebo Noah woman. Noah woman. Whoa.
Flower for you.
Fast.
Okay, sharp. Spotted. Friend with Dragon Ban also.
Friend Priscilla.
Okay. And then 25th. Yeah, kasa TV. The person who say 25th yeah, bro nyama. And I say normal day yeah keke awo. Every day.
At least bro nyama.
Bro nyama. And tu say bro nyama go see you. But boy na say wa. Yeah, see. Okay. Papa be soon now was here friend Ebo Noah. We see act the first 600 million people. See, you see then I show you better. So no so and I mean we ejina ye na ticket ntia.
Oh, Bibisa.
Oh, okay. See, assemble wow share. Assemble na waka che Ebo Noah.
Oh, boy.
Like only inside the nanya no cry no be kan. Aman ko cry am hihye na your occasions bebre.
Was say na wo. Okay, one surprise question. BTC and answer boyfriend. Bitcoin and answer boyfriend. Boyfriend. Lawyer girlfriend. Two damsels be on mujina me chewa. How fair say.
Jasmine here.
How's it?
Pretty Z.
Okay, Mr. Friend Dragon Bar. Yeah. In there, any long job, yeah. Person who say, in there 25th man, I say Ebo Noah.
Normal day.
Normal day.
Yeah.
I swear.
Baby, I am boring.
Baby, I am boring. Not even Ebo Noah. Okay. You see, because me say bia, iso na anton, because me no mu ye nya ticket ni bia na say de.
Baby, me tell me say, sa kwa no with me.
Inso na to na wa ko fie.
Like when you be here, because I don't know, be check gun of when you answer. You say me kwa the whole world interest and so better na answer. I'm a ben I.
Ebo Noah who me? Wow.
Easy.
Okay, so then yeah, it's because it's here, who knows? Or chance to me, but yeah.
Okay, 25th.
Yeah,
It's 12 o'clock midnight in Brown.
I'm done.
Inso na to na wa ko fie.
Oh, never go super. Okay, one surprise question. Yeah, the BTC tours is here. Let the boyfriend tours here. Then I'll
BTC
tours is here. Let the boyfriend tours is here. Then I'll
Oh, boy.
BTC.
Champion. That's it.
My
boyfriend. Are you being loyal?
Come again.
Are you being loyal?
Yes.
So you are trying to be loyal?
Yes.
That way.
After taking the BTC, I will share it with you.
You share it with Okay, would you like to put your handles?
Okay, on TikTok, I'm Quinteya05. Yeah, only TikTok. And Snapchat, PTZ. Yes.
Okay.
TikTok, Girl Villain. And on Instagram, I go for Baby Jazz.
Baby Jazz on Instagram.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. Hey, Justice. But now for soon you say friend Dragon Bar. But on house I
miss it very bright. Now say your friend $1.
Poppy in that 2050, you see who say who did Christmas and I say who can say Ebo Noah is only better now. You did there.
Oh, me did Christmas. Cause Ebo Noah and the so a trophy.
Akwano ya no mto dia japade. Dabra bi woni pa woni japade dia san kwafo de 77 previous adim finkwa de o mutrim.
Yeah, it's a hunu kwa ka o say any BTC. Because me timo say ono o dada amafo amafo a share ni ama say san ko mo share ni sa.
Class na shegu, pimsi ni na shegu, me dash ni na shegu.
Because ono onya nyame na ya bibia enti say ono opeso share say iso betimi atokwa ama 25 me ya ni jeli on count.
Yeah, share. The why Yesu abohu e de hu ahye nkofo mu. Enti hwe ade na we ka kire nkofo a o de hu ahye omu.
Oh, me dey me ka kire say omo ade omo ahye omo ni na no. They need to let the police know that he's a thief and he has scammed the people.
Akwano ya no mto dia japade. Dabra bi woni pa woni japade dia san kwafo de 77 previous adim finkwa de o mutrim.
Because obi be kwa adochire ene. Now because of our choices science no ntino also so kotra plane mo a bia ntino beti na to na affect flight no in navigation from an ntino nipa no ntimi ye de opeso ye.
Inso na to na wa ko fie.
So he has disappointed Ghanaians. So he needs to be put on a big table in public. Now you go on back could be a one. No kind Ghana population, no be about it.
Okay, that's it. One quick question. Wow. Your boys talk about BTC. Bitcoin. They say they will get to any BTC for people far away.
When I say Bitcoin, I'm a fire because minister again on the match. Because Bitcoin, no one else can. Bitcoin, now so say me go far again, no minister. Girl, no be home say me count.
Okay.
So I choose the Bitcoin outside my girlfriend.
Everyone say Mary. Miss me the Dragon Bar. Okay. Near 25th, Ebo Noah and I say Christmas. No Ebo Noah.
No.
And I so Anton in here.
I was send me plans.
Class na shegu, pimsi ni na shegu, me dash ni na shegu.
I say plans. Oh, Ebo Noah. We are coming to message back from na me share.
Ebo Noah who me? Wow.
Onim say is only into na wire akru. Ombubu no, ope baby no fast. Na be tunu akuma so no.
We sure say akru po need na say e content bi na obe so creative.
Master wakoboro. Enyamane no dia beye. Ombubu o. Wa say plans. In the boy some afire ampie.
Inso na to na wa ko fie.
Yo fear say.
Oh. Okay. One surprise question. BTC and that's your boyfriend. BTC. I can't money minded. That's it. My name is Dragon, but where you are? Andrews. Okay, today it don't be any big deal. Yeah, I want to say today 25th. It be Ebo Noah or Christmas?
Ebo Noah Christmas.
It be Ebo Noah or Christmas?
Oh, Ebo Noah.
It be Ebo Noah.
Oh, bobo, you boy.
So you know they talk the Christmas crowd?
No.
You know they talk the Christmas?
No. See. Yeah, I want to go celebrate Christmas for
Ebo Noah in Yaki inside.
Yeah,
so
it lie.
It lie.
So I won't go see say if it be true.
Nsuo na to na wa ko fie.
Then we like.
So you all know Ebo Noah make you no chop the Christmas. You want chop for in there.
Yeah, I want
that
to go there. So if I go away, the liar.
The liar. And for that time. And for that time. Abab.
So for us they talk, you know, we believe them. So
you believe them sharp.
So
because one quick question there.
Yeah.
BTC or your girlfriend?
Relax.
Oh, bobo, you boy.